Tonight's forecast for April 15th is 8 or very high.
Service office in Fort Worth. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system for weather radio station WXK22. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receivers performance and at noon and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in North Texas: Collin, Cook, Denton, Fannin, and Grayson. In the following counties in southern Oklahoma: Bryan, Carter, Johnson, Love, and Marshall. This concludes the test of weather radio station WXK22.